Good morning, students. So let's wait for 5 minutes, let others join in, right? And then we can begin the class. So I got to know that your result was announced yesterday for the first semester. So I hope it went well. How was it? So are you happy with the result? All right. So, okay, some of you are happy with it. Anybody who's not happy or it was not as they were expecting it to be? So I'm glad to know that it was good. So for the civil students as well, I hope it went well. हाँ जी बच्चे. So I hope most of the students have joined in, right? So we'll continue with what we were doing in our last lab session, right? We were having this session of, you presenting your PowerPoint presentations. So who all are ready to present in this session? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So who was that? Ayush?
I'm Ayush.
Okay, Ayush. So should we begin or do you want to discuss anything? You want to talk about the result or anything like of the sort?
No,
All right. So is
ma'am.
everyone ready to like resume with the session? So Ayush, I'll just change the settings and then you will be ready to present your PPT. All right. So yes, students, let me just repeat it once. I expect you to cooperate. So just a brief interruption, probably due to the network issue, right? So Ayush, could you send your PPT to me? I will share it on your behalf. हाँ जी बच्चे.
हम कहाँ पे भेजनी है?
आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे
मेल
सेंड
पे?
कर दो, चाहे ईमेल कर दो, whichever whatever you think is okay. So let me know once you have sent it. Suraj, this one is not your class. I think you have accidentally joined in here.
मैंने भेज दी WhatsApp।
All right. So yes, now I'm going to share the screen, right? And Ayush, you can always tell me whenever you need me to change the slide. Okay? So now we
Okay.
have, now over to you.
Benefits of regular exercise. One slide. Fitness. Fitness means more than being physically healthy. Fitness means being ready to handle day-to-day living, both the fun times and the problem. Being fit gives you increased energy, keeps your weight at the right level for you, helps you to stress, gives you self-confidence, and makes your life more fun. Slides. Slides.
ठीक है बेटा?
हम यहाँ पे से शो नहीं हो रही मैं अपने
अभी हो रही है, like I am on exercise and fitness.
एक्सेस मैं अपने से देख के बोल रहा हूँ। Exercise and fitness. Exercise is an important part of being fit. It adds to your total health. Exercise helps physically, mentally, and socially. Benefits of exercise. Physical benefits: builds strong muscles, relieves stiffness, and aids coordination. It is good for heart and lungs. Mental benefits. Exercises Exercising is one of the best ways to reduce stress. Also, exercise gives you sense of accomplishment, something to be proud of. Social benefits. Some exercises are done with a team or group, giving you the opportunity to meet new people and make new friends. One slide.
हाँ जी, I am on being smart.
Being fit is an excellent goal. We can reach this goal safely by following these guidelines to avoid injuries. Wear loose fitting clothing. This lets you skin breathe and helps you stay cool. Wear and protective equipment is an important part of participating in a sport or activity. Begin by warming up. Gradually increase your speed over the first 5 minutes. Exercise within your target heart rate, the level at which the heart and lungs receive the most benefit from a workout. Watch for pain. Pain is the body's signal that something is wrong, so do not push through pain. Drink plenty of fluids. End your process session by cooling down, which means slowly winding down an activity. This allows our heart rate to return to normal gradually. Stretch. Once you are warm, you will get your best increases in flexibility. Thank
Okay, so that was all. So that was a good slide that you made, right? Very brief and to the point. So yes, I really enjoyed this one. However, you could have more energy while you're speaking, right, Ayush? So I really liked the content. It was very brief and it was to the point. Okay, just try to be more enthusiastic about it. Or are you not happy? Result ज़्यादा खराब तो नहीं आया?
मैम आया ही नहीं अभी खुल नहीं रही साइट
अभी आया नहीं रिजल्ट?
साइट ही नहीं खुल रही मेरी
Oh, okay, okay. So probably the site must be very busy. Did you ask? You must have asked your friends to check it for you or somebody else.
मैम पता नहीं शायद मेरे अकाउंट पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है
Okay,
मेरी
okay.
नहीं खुल रही बाकी की खुल
Okay, so you can call the university and ask today, right? Because I know it's a very anxious moment when you know the result is out and you still don't know what your result is and you're unable to access it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So who would like to go next? हाँ जी बच्चे. So who is ready with the PPT? Hanji, I think one of you had sent it to me in the last session as well, and you wanted to present it this time around. So who was that? Let me check. I do remember one of you had shared the PPT with me. So Harkamal, had you presented it? Hanji Harkamal. So bache, anybody else who okay? Tamanna, your PPT is ready. Okay, so first maybe Tamanna can present, and Harkamal, will you like to present after that? What do you say? Harkamal, yes or no? All right. And we have another student who would like to present. So roll number ends with 222. So who would that be? Okay, Surbhi. ठीक है बेटा. So पहले तमन्ना present कर देती है, then Harkamal can go and then Surbhi. Is that good for everyone? Okay, Harkamal is facing a network issue. So पहले तमन्ना की सुन लेते हैं, then Surbhi can go, and if the network issue is resolved by then for Harkamal, then Harkamal can go. Is that good? So Harman, yes, you can message me your query on WhatsApp, right? Harmandeep. Then Dipanshu would like to go. ठीक है. Yes, I am ready to share the screen if you want me to. All right. So for now, I will give you the option to share the screen. So Tamanna, would you like to present it from your own end?
Yes,
आप बेटा try करो if you can share the screen from your own end. All right. So whenever you are ready, you may start. हाँ जी तमन्ना, just unmute yourself and whenever you are ready.
मैम आपको मेरी स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
हाँ जी बेटा विजिबल है. I can see the title page.
Good morning all. Today Tamanna Arora of BTech CSE 2 is going to represent on the topic women empowerment. In the early 19th century, woman was regarded as the showpiece for the society. She was not given any rights, right to education, right to freedom, right to equality, etc. Nothing was given to her. They were married in earlier age, which made most of women to live stressful life. And if we talk about their career at that time, then I think it was something that was against the society and was really very shameful for people to educate their girls and let them choose the career of their own choice. As people of that time used to believe that woman is someone who is meant to stay at home, marry at early age, take care of their kids and in-laws. Only this was considered as the life of a woman. No one ever thought of their happiness, of their opinions. The decision of their life was made according to the society's opinions. But now this is 21st century. Not everywhere in the world, but still there are so many parts of the country where people have understood about women empowerment. They understood that how important it is for women to be independent. They are not someone who is limited to live at home and take care of their family. She has equal right to education as men have. Women empowerment is the process of empowering women. It may be defined as in several ways, including accepting women's viewpoints or making an effort to seek them, raising status of women through education, awareness, literacy, and training. As men have the rights, same is with women. They too have the right to express themselves. It totally depends on them that what actually they want to do in their life. It's their life, so the decision should also be of their own. No one has the right to tell them that what they should do. Here I have also represented the quote that each time a woman stands up for herself without knowing it, possibly without claiming it, she stands for all women. If one woman stands for herself, she always leaves a mark and motivates the other women to do the same. There are so many benefits of women empowerment. If woman is educated, she is having more knowledge, not only about the career, in fact about the society also. She has her own personality. She has her own identity. She don't have to depend on anyone for her own identity. She has the power of handling herself. She can easily handle all her relationships. If the woman is educated, she is financially independent. She can handle the relationships easily as compared to those who are dependent, because they are always in the fear of being judged. Now let us discuss about the obstacles faced by the women empowerment. Many people who are unaware about the fact is so important. Still, they are having the same mindset. Now, next is, however, parents and family of girl child still have the same mentality. Even today, also, no one cares about their opinions. Their main priority is the marriage of their daughters. They have nothing to do with their career. They still believe that their daughter's happiness lies only with her life partner. For this, counseling of parents should be done to teach them about the women empowerment and how important it is. Next factor which reacts as an obstacle is man dominating society. Our version of man is really very small, but still it needs to be removed for women empowerment. These type of men are like torture for women of their own family. Sometimes the case is that this is the mentality that if she will be educated, then she will lose her morals and family values. Some men are so much narrow minded that they cannot see any strong woman with against them or with them. They think this is they think this in a wrong way, that this is shameful for men to have women next to her who have standards like him. So they prefer the ladies who are uneducated, stay quiet in front of them, and most importantly, who do not express themselves what they want. His words are like order for her. Now the next factor is that the most reason for the lack of the woman empowerment is woman herself. Like sometimes in a family, woman has faced so many tortures. Now her mentality is that her daughter is also meant to face everything that she's. Woman needs to understand this, that woman needs only woman. I think a girl needs no one by her side when her family is along with her, especially when her mother is at her side. If the woman is educated, she can teach other women also. If you are successful, then don't criticize others. Try to motivate them so that they can also be independent in their life. And our society actually needs to change. Instead of judging women, try to understand about them, their opinions, what they actually want in their life. If she can take care of so many people, if she can leave her house for someone else after marriage, if she can raise her kids, then why not she can do something for her career? If she is fine, she will be more aware about people and situation and how to handle them. She will be more emotionally and she will be more emotionally strong, and she can live her life without any fear of being judged. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, that was wonderfully done, Tamanna. I really liked it how you explained each and every slide in detail, right? So you may end the screen share now.
Yes, ma'am. मैम ये हो नहीं रहा है.
So I did that for you. I hope that is okay. So yes, you made a very brief
Ma'am,
slide,
thank
yet
you, ma'am.
you explained it really well and explained each and every slide and every point very well, right? So that is exactly the point, that keep minimum text there, right? Explain more on your own so that people, they're not just busy reading the stuff, they are also listening to you, right? So that was a good effort. So who would like to go next? Dipanshu, are you ready? Hanji, Dipanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So after Dipanshu, Harkamal can go. Is that good? चलो दीपांशु आप फिर बेटा स्क्रीन यू में
Yes.
शेयर योर स्क्रीन if you want me to do it for you, let me know. All right, a very interesting topic.
Good morning. My name is Dipashu, and I want to share my PPT on topic of power of subconscious mind. First of all, basic question arises: what is subconscious mind? The subconscious mind is the data bank for everything which is not in your conscious mind. It stores your beliefs, your previous experience, your memories, your skills. Everything that you have seen, done, or thought is also there. Function of subconscious mind. The function of your subconscious mind is to store and retrieve data. Your conscious mind commands and your subconscious mind obeys. Your subconscious mind is an unquestioning servant that works day and night to make your behavior fits a pattern consistent with your emotionalized thoughts, hopes, and desires. Success. Your subconscious mind is main partner in your success. So here are basic points showing that how you can control your subconscious mind to help in achieving your success. So first point is visualize the success that you want. Have a specific vision. Write down your goals. Engage in affirmations. Do meditation. Engage in positive
Excuse me.
self-talk. Behave as thought your dream has already been fulfilled. How to control your subconscious mind. Though it is not easy to control your subconscious mind, but with daily practice of doing so, you can have a great control over your subconscious mind. More than 80% of persons in our world does not exercise this control. So now I will share some basic tips to control your subconscious mind. First point is be willing to see unchangeable things. Give yourself permission to be successful. Don't allow other people's fear to cast shadow of doubt. Surround yourself with positive reinforcement. Create a vision space. Have a master plan for your life. Start asking for what you want, even if you know you will be denied. Fill your dead air time with affirmation and motivation. And last thing, do meditation. The next thing is power of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is 30,000 times more powerful than your conscious mind. Here I will show what science says about your subconscious mind. Neuroscience confirms that your subconscious mind shapes your reality and is much smarter than you think. Your subconscious mind is a powerful to be computed with. It makes up around 95% of your brain power and handles everything your body needs to function properly, from eating, breathing to digesting and making memories. At last, I would like to say that start training your subconscious mind and have success in your life. Remove your fear by using subconscious mind. Here are here are 8 ways to take control. Don't figure things out by yourself. Be real with how you feel. Self-compassion is the key. Be okay with something being out of your control. Practice self-care. Be conscious of your intentions. Focus on your positive thoughts. Practice mindfulness. Train your brain to stop fear response. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So that was well done, Dipanshu. I really liked the topic. It's a very interesting topic, a very different topic that you picked, right? And you did do a very good research on the topic. So by your content, it was clear that you spent a lot of time preparing this PPT.
Ma'am.
So I hope the rest of you also enjoyed watching this PPT. So, okay, so that was a good effort from your side. Keep that up. So who would like to go next, Harkamal? Are you ready? All right. So should I share this slide on your behalf? Okay, so just give me a moment. So yes, we have this here. So yes, Harkamal, whenever you are ready.
Good morning to you all. My name is Harkamal Kaur, and today I am going to present a PPT on the topic public speaking. So let's begin. What is public speaking? Public speaking is a process of speaking to a group of people in a structured, deliberate manner intended to inform, influence, or entertain the listeners. Some basic element of public speaking. But first of all, audience is your side. I think the first 30 seconds of your speech tell that the listeners are interested in your speech or not. Eye contact with the second person. Eye contact is the way more intimate than the words can ever be. Speak like as you speak alone with more confidence and power. Do not be paused continuously. You will be speak according to your plan of speech. Do not speak too fast or too slow. Speak clearly that the every word should understand by the listeners. Concentration on the receivers. Some aspect of public speaking. At the time of speaking, don't be nervous. Nervousness creates. So always keep speak well because first impression is your last impression. I have some key tips for you. Start strong and close strong. When you presenting a speech, don't think about how the audience look at you. Think about what value you can give them. Interact with the audience. Conduct a Q&A session. Q&A session make your speech more interactive and interested. Do not be nervous. Always keep smile in your face. Tell a realistic story. Focus on speech, not the fear. Last, I have given message to you that all the speakers were bad speakers at first. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, so that was well done. Right, so just one suggestion, Kamal, that in your slides, just make sure that the text is easily, it's legible and it's readable, right? So like in this slide, it's a bit difficult because यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा dark background आ गया, right? So no doubt you can read what it is, but it would be easier if the background is a bit light, right? Similarly, in this slide also, I felt कि कहीं कहीं पर ना the text is not standing out from the background picture. Otherwise, you made a very good, very, just you touch the basics of public speaking. However, this is what is enough on this topic for you. Right? Another just a suggestion, you could have included maybe names of a few good public speakers, some well-known public speakers, right? Since you mentioned that they were bad speakers at first. So a few examples here would have made it even better, right? Otherwise, you spoke well. I really liked the content, and that the content was brief, not too elaborate. All right, so that was well done. So, okay, who would like to present now? The next one we will take up in the next class, right? Because abhi sirf 4 minutes bache hai, so I don't want that, the class is like the class just abruptly ends while you are presenting, right? So the next student, I believe Surbhi, you would like to present? Yes, Surbhi. All right. So Surbhi, I hope it is fine if we start with your PPT in the next session. Right? Okay. And who else would like to present after Surbhi? Hanji bache. So anybody else whose PPT is ready? Okay. Manav is ready. And Pradeep and Rushant are also ready. So let me just take screenshots of the participants and I'll mark your attendance. All right. So yes, now we can go with Surbhi. We can start with Surbhi in the next session, then Pradeep and Rushant can present, and after that Manav Sharma. Is that good? All right, so I'll end the class now. You take your 5 minutes, you take your break, right? Have water or any snacks if you want to have, and then I'll resume the class at 10:30. All right?